What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP, and this is your morning market wake-up call for Wednesday, June 24th, 2020. We've had a lot of winners on the markets. Let's go ahead, take a look, and see where we're going to be starting the day off at. Gold is at an 8-year high, currently at 1783.59. We're going to get into an article about gold here in just a moment. Let's continue. Silver is currently at 1802, giving us a ratio of 98.97. Platinum is down slightly, currently at 829.55, and palladium just can't seem to stay above that $2,000 mark. It's currently at 1999.25. In other metals markets, rhodium is steady at 8,000 even. Copper is down a few cents, currently at $2.65. Aluminum is steady at 71 cents, and uranium is steady at $32.85 a pound. Barrels of crude oil took a little bit of a hit overnight. Nothing to cry about, though. I mean, everybody does tend to enjoy cheap gas. It's down under $40 a barrel again, currently at $39.51. We had a great day on Wall Street yesterday. The Dow Jones closed up 131 points at 26,156.10. The NASDAQ closed in record territory again. Woo! Recession what? Closed up 74 points at 10,131.37. And the S&P 500 was up 13 points. It is nearing record territory. It's still a few hundred points away, but we're getting close. It's at 3131.29. Now, Dow futures are pointing down for the morning, but not great. Not bad. It's not a bad drop. Don't worry. We should still be okay. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, those are down. We took a couple little hits overnight here in the last few hours. Actually, we're down at 93.42.10. And if you guys happen to trade in the gold back, those are up currently at 305. In today's video, we are reviewing an article from Reuters. This comes to us from Eileen Soaring. It's article, Gold Soars Towards 8-Year High as Corona Cases Jump. Gold surged to its highest levels in nearly 8 years on Wednesday as rising coronavirus cases globally dented hopes of a rapid economic recovery and pushed investors towards safe haven assets. Spot gold pricing climbed 0.6% to $1777.53 per ounce at 9:57 Greenwich Mean Time. So that would be about an hour and 10 minutes ago. And that's the highest level that it has been since October of 2012. U.S. gold futures gained 0.7% to 1794.60. Quote, everyone is worried about a second wave of the coronavirus, not only in the U.S., but also in Latin America, Brazil, and Russia. So that's supporting the rally, said Jigar Trivedi, commodities analyst for the Mumbai broker Anand Rathi Shares. People are expecting stimulus packages from central banks, and higher the stimulus, the better prospects for gold, he said. The United States had a 25% increase in new cases of COVID-19 in the week ending June 21st compared to the previous 7 days, while the death toll in Latin America has surpassed 100,000, a Reuters analyst found. The European Union is prepared to bar travelers from the United States, putting the country in the same category as Brazil and Russia, the New York Times said. The surge in coronavirus cases also weighed on global stock markets. Global central banks have bumped up stimulus measures to kept interest rates low to ease the economic blow from the pandemic, driving a more than 16% rise in gold prices this year, as it is widely seen as a hedge against inflation and currency debasement, which obviously we talk about all the time in this community. Indicative of investor sentiment, holdings in gold trusts rose 0.28% on Tuesday, the highest level it had been since April of 2013. Julius Baer, analyst Karsten Mink, said, "We stick to our view that a short and sharp recession is fully priced into gold around $1,700 an ounce, and that the future deterioration of the economic environment is needed to lastly lift prices." He also said that the short-term risks were now skewed to the upside as technical traders and trend followers are being lured back into the gold market. Elsewhere, palladium rose 1% to $1942.75 an ounce. Palladium was up to $1830.25, and silver was a little changed at $17.96. Obviously, this is from about an hour and a half ago. So that was an article detailing what we should be expecting from gold. It looks like it's going to be coming up roses for us gold and silver holders. It looks like, hoping so. I certainly hope it is for you guys as well, guys. I do greatly appreciate every single one of you. If you have it, hold on just a second. If you guys happen to appreciate old IndyXP. There we go. Why don't you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me right there. It helps me out immensely. If you happen to be new to the independent experience and you want to keep up to date on when great content is coming out, go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe and jingle bell in the corner. Bing bong, so you can be notified of when new content is coming out. If you want to check out some other great content, I'm going to post the card right here. You're going to check out the latest and greatest right there. Guys, I've been IndyXP from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.